you're experiencing an installation loop while trying to install GTA 5, follow these steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and complete your installation successfully. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for GTA 5. This includes checking your operating system, processor, RAM, and graphics card specifications. Step 2. Disable antivirus and firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and firewall settings. Sometimes, these security programs can interfere with the installation process. Remember to re-enable them after the installation is complete. Step 3. Run as administrator. Right-click on the GTA 5 installation file and select Run as Administrator. This gives the installer the necessary permissions to make changes to your system and can help prevent installation issues. Step 4. Clear temporary files. Clear your computer's temporary files. You can do this by typing disk cleanup in the Windows search bar, selecting your primary drive, and checking the boxes for temporary files. This can help free up space and resolve conflicts during installation. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps do not work, uninstall GTA 5 completely and then reinstall it. Make sure to download the latest version from a reliable source to avoid corrupted files. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop and successfully install GTA 5. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support forums or the game's customer service for further assistance.